So this project is about unity out of diversity because the teacher, Ms. Pepe, felt that there are so many different students of all different ethnic backgrounds, and that they needed to get to know each other and work together because they were sort of staying in their own little groups. What I've tried to show them through that movement, first of all, this is an art class. So that movement and dance is a work of art, but really in that you are the material. It's not like you're working with paint or something outside of yourself, right, and creating something. But you yourself are the paint, or you're the work of art. I've had them try to express themselves in just a little bit of their individuality.
My role in this project was being the teaching artist. I worked with Jill to have the students identify value systems through iconography and beliefs. And then they used that iconography and carved relief printmaking stamps. And then they took those stamps, printed them on t-shirts with different colors of ink that kind of represented them, and onto hats. And then they learned how to sew and customize those garments even further.
And we came up with our own brand, which we call Unity, through all different symbols of the students, that different icons that they, made up their cultural background or their hobbies or different icons of things that are important in their life. And we made clothing out of it. And then we had an excellent opportunity to work with another cultural partner where we can create a movement piece wearing our clothing. So it encompasses many different types of visual arts, working arts together. And we created a brand, which is a marketing way to express what we're into.